Wealth from slave trade. Britain was a powerful colonial force from the 16th through to the mid-19th centuries. During this period, the British established colonies across the continents of Africa and Asia. Apart from the wealth they accumulated or gathered from these conquests, they also made a fortune trading captured natives from various parts of the world. Between the mid-16th and the late 18th centuries, millions of people from Africa were transported across the Atlantic and brought to the New World, or the Americas. This came to be known as the transatlantic slave trade. On the American continent, the slaves were forced to work as laborers on plantations where they grew commodity crops such as cotton, tobacco, and sugar. A commodity crop, also called a cash crop, is a crop that is always in demand and can be grown and sold in large quantities to make a profit. The work was difficult, and the conditions in which they lived were harsh. They were often treated badly by their owners, who viewed them as property. These plantations produced a variety of raw materials that were shipped to Britain and other European nations. The raw materials were then made into goods, such as woven cotton cloth, and sold for large profits in the European and African markets. Thus, the trading of slaves and the cheap raw materials that they produced had become important for the economies of the colonial forces of the Western world.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel or dive into our expert textbooks and get that learning edge.